So now we get to derivation, building new words. Derivation is the Dr. Frankenstein of linguistics. It stitches new words together by adding prefixes and suffixes, creating entirely new meanings. English to English. So from happy to happiness. Take happy, slapness onto it, and you've just created happiness, turning a fleeting emotion into an abstract noun. Happy, base word, free morphe. Ness, suffix that converts an adjective into a noun. Phrase happiness is just a myth. Translation, derivation builds hope, only to take it away. German, spielen, turns into Spiele or spielt. In Spiele. In German, derivation is an engineer's dream. Spielen, to play, becomes Spieler, player, with a simple a suffix. Now the poor guy is stuck playing forever. Spielen, base verb. Creates a noun to the one who plays. Phrase der Spieler verliert immer. Translation: the player always loses. Creation at its finest and curlest. Spanish: feliz to felicidad. I'm not sure if you heard that, like Feliz Navidad. It's from Feliz Navidad to Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz to felicidad. In Spanish, feliz, happy, becomes felicidad, happiness, with the magic of idad. It sounds positive, but always feels temporary. Feliz, base adjective, idad, suffix that creates a noun. Phrase la felicidad es efímera. Translation: happiness is fleeting. It was built only to crumble. And Swahili, penda to upendo. Swahili loves derivation too. Penda, to love, becomes upendo, love. With the prefix u, it's simple yet profound. Penda, base verb, and u creates a noun from a verb. Phrase upendo nignumo. Translation: love is difficult. Derivation creates love and the struggles that come with it. Inflection. Just a little change. While derivation creates new words, inflection just tweaks them, changing tense, number, or mood without creating anything new. English: play to played. In English, play becomes played with a simple ed suffix. No new word, just a shift in time. Play, base verb, and ed, past tense maker or marker. Phrase: we played and we lost. Translation: past tense, present disappointment. German: spielen to spielt. In German, spielen, to play, becomes spielt. He, she, it plays. With the inflectional T, like T. No new words, just bending to grammatical rules. Spielen, base verb, and T, third person singular. Phrase: spielt, aber verliert. Translation: he plays, but he loses. Inflection doesn't save him from the outcome. Spanish: jugar to juega or juega. In Spanish, jugar, to play, becomes juega. He, she plays. With some light inflection. The meaning doesn't change, it's just the fitting the grammar. Jugar, base verb. A, third person singular. Phrase: él juega solo. Translation: he plays alone. Inflection just highlights the loneliness, doesn't it? Swahili: penda, anapenda. Swahili takes penda, to love, and adds ana for anapenda. He, she loves. The verb stays the same, only the subject changes. Benda, base verb. Ana, third person singular. Phrase, anapenda sana. Translation, he loves very much. Inflection just adds clarity, not new meaning. Conclusion, derivation builds, inflection tweaks. While derivation constructs new words out of existing parts, inflection just makes the necessary adjustment. Derivation creates new monsters, while inflection merely changes their outfits. Each language, English, German, Spanish, and in Swahili, has its own way of playing with these two processes, but in the end, all words are at their mercy.